the massage therapy program here at CTech is one of the best programs actually in the state of Ohio.
So I'm Paige McCorkle. I'm the program coordinator for the licensed massage therapy program, and I also instruct here. And with me is Jackie. I'll let you go ahead and say a little bit about yourself.
Okay. Hello, my name is Jackie Sullivan, and I am an instructor here. I've been here about 3 years. I am a licensed massage therapist. I've been in the field for 16 years. I started out when I graduated in 2004. I started out in a doctor's office. One of the first doctors in Zanesville, Ohio, that allowed massage therapy. And before he would do surgery, he would send them to me. And if I couldn't help them, then he would go ahead and do surgery. And he was the one that encouraged me to step out and start my own business. And it's just been the best, and I loved it. And when I was invited to become an instructor here, something that is such a blessing to be able to teach something that you are so passionate in and believe in.
Students learn a number of skills while they're here in the massage therapy program. They learn the basic massage therapy techniques that are in the field here in the U.S., and that would be things like effleurage, petrissage, compression, and tapotement. And then they also learn a number of other techniques like neuromuscular therapy and trigger point, reflexology. We also teach deep tissue massage, as well as sports massage and postural assessment. So there's a number of skills that the students come out of the program being competent in. A credential, in a nutshell, is something that a governing body in the state issues to an individual in order to let the public know that this person is competent in the field and that they can safely work with the public. So in our case with massage therapy, our governing body is the State Medical Board of Ohio, and they issue the credential, which is a licensure for massage therapists. And when our students come out of our program, they are equipped to take the MBLEX test. Now, the MBLEX test is the state licensing test that all massage therapists need to take and pass in order to become licensed. Once a student takes that test and successfully passes, they can then apply for their licensure with the State Medical Board of Ohio. There are a lot of great things about our program. You know, our students and our faculty here are really passionate about massage, and they're passionate about helping people. We also have a lot of fun in our program, and what person doesn't like getting free massages? Seriously. So, you know, our students love that aspect and to be able to trade and learn on one another. And it's just a great atmosphere and a great program, and I can't say enough good things about it.
Yeah. And so one of the typical things that we do in our lab, which is hands-on, is that you have a little bit of a lecture learning about what effleurage is, petrissage, even pregnancy massage. But whatever you learn that day, then you come into the lab and we get to practice on one another. And you have the instructor right there helping you. And by the time that you're out of the lab, you are more confident to work on the public. And once you go through the program a little bit, then there is a clinic that we have that we do work on the public, so that when you do leave the program, you are more confident as a massage therapist. Actually, I would say that it's Paige herself here. I know, because she was one of the first in the massage therapy program that we had here at C-Tech to graduate. You were in the first class.
I was, yes.
And then you went out and practiced a little bit out in the field, came back as an instructor, and now as a coordinator of our program. So to me, I would say it would be you.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I was in the first graduating class here at C-Tech, and went out into the field, and I came back to teach, and I absolutely love teaching. Great things about massage is the diversity of the field. You can go into any number of different environments to work in, such as a clinical environment, like working for a hospital or doctor's office or a chiropractor's office, or you can go more of the hospitality route, such as working for a spa, even going to like a cruise ship to work. And the other great thing about the field is the diversity of specialties that are available to massage therapists, such as working with prenatal, working with infants, working with geriatric clients, specializing in sports massage, working with athletes and sports teams. And so the options are really endless for what area you want to work in. And like Jackie pointed out, you can even teach in massage. There's lots of massage schools in Ohio, and so you can come back after you have some experience in the field and teach and share your passion with other students. So. The earning potential for massage therapists is pretty wide. On the lower end, a student can come out making, with their tips, I would safely say an average of $20 an hour. But that can go all the way up to as much as $75 or even $80 an hour if the student is working for themselves independently. So it's a very wide range depending on your work environment and whether you're working for yourself or working independently, and it's a great payback, a great reward for being in the field. If a student's interested in the program, their first step is to reach out to myself, and they can schedule a tour with me, come see the clinic, come see the classroom, and after that they would complete an online enrollment form and take our pre-assessment test. The pre-assessment test is just an entry-level test that all of our programs here at the Adult Education Center at C-Tech require in order to enter a program. And that's just to make sure that that individual is at a competency level to be successful in their program of choice. After they take and complete the pre-assessment, their last step would be securing financial aid. And after that, they're ready to begin the program. We have just such a great reward in the field for working with clients on a daily basis, helping out clients that come to us that have ambulation problems, that have pain management problems, and through muscular work, we're able to help a lot of those issues a lot of the time and help that client be more successful, have less pain, and just to have a better quality of life. So in addition to the financial rewards of being in the field, there definitely is just that reward of knowing that you're helping people on a daily basis.
Oh yes, there's nothing more rewarding for a massage therapist than to have someone come in that can hardly walk and they're in a lot of pain, and they walk out pain-free. That will make your day. And that is just an awesome benefit of being a massage therapist.
massage is it's a great field to be in. For all the reasons we just talked about. And we would love to have you here in the program. Love to schedule a tour so you can see for yourself what the program's like.